How to use Uber Freight app. So first up, go to the App Store on iOS or Google Play on Android and search for Uber Freight. Download the app and open it. Tap sign up. Then enter your business information, your MC or DOT number, proof of insurance, and basic contact details. Once you submit, Uber Freight will review and verify your account before you can start booking loads. After your account is verified, you'll see the home screen. The main tabs are Loads, browse all available loads, Saved, view your favorite loads or lanes, In Transit, track active shipments, and Payments, check invoices and payouts. The layout is identical on iPhone and Android, so the steps are the same. To find loads, go to the Loads tab. Use filters like pickup or drop off location, rate per mile, dates, and load type. When you find the right one, tap Book Load. Everything is instant. No phone calls or negotiations. Once booked, you'll see pickup and delivery details right in the app. On pickup day, check in through the app and follow the directions to the shipper. After delivery, upload your proof of delivery directly into the app. Payments are fast. You typically get paid in 7 days, but you can also request instant payment for a small fee. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Uber Freight app on both iOS and Android. From downloading it to booking and delivering your first load.